Hello guys, today we learn what is input box in Excel VBA. To implement this, we have required Microsoft Excel 2019. Let us understand input box. The input box function prompts the user to enter the values. After entering the values, if the user clicks the OK button or press enter on the keyboard, the input box function will return the text in the text box. If the user clicks the cancel button, the function will return the empty strings. Now let us see the syntax how input box will work. You can write input box, then you can see prompt, that is required parameter, then title, default, export, ypos, helpfile, context. These are all the optional fields. Now let us understand each parameters and what have a work. Prompt, a required parameter, a string that is displayed as a message in the dialog box. The maximum length of prompt is approximately 1024 characters. If the message is sent to more than a line, then the lines can be separated using a carriage return character 13 or line feeded character 10 between each line. Next one is title, an optional parameter. A string expression displayed in the title bar of the dialog box. If the title is left blank, the application name is placed in the title bar. Second one is default, an optional parameter. A default text in the text box that the user would like to be displayed. Xpos, an optional parameter. The position of the x-axis represents the prompt distance from the left side of the screen horizontally. If the left blank, the input box is horizontally centered. Ypos, an optional parameter. The position of y-axis represents the prompt distance from left side of the screen vertically. If the left blank, the input box is vertically centered. Helpfile, an optional parameter, a string expression that identifies the help file to be used to provide context-sensitive help for the dialog box. And context. Context an optional parameter, a numeric expression that identifies the help context number assigned by a help author to the appropriate help topic. If context is provided, help file must also be provided. Let us see one example. Now I have function find area, variable length of the name is name is length, dim length is double, and their width I define a double. And now we will ask the input from the user. So I have like put here input box, enter the length, enter the first number, then with taking input box, enter the width, enter the second. After that we write here a find area. Find area equal to length in width, then in functions. Now how can we will use in a example with real scenario? Let us see. I open a Microsoft Excel, and for writing the function in editor module, go to Alt F11. So here your editor will be open. You can see Microsoft Visual Basic for application, and we will go Excel object, then right click insert modules, and after that we will put here these functions. So here you can see find area, and you can see find area. and I have not defined any distinct find area. This is returnable function and find area equal to length in width. So whatever you place the input from the user side in length and width, it will multiply and give you output as a functions. So now click on close button and go here, like put here equal and function name here whatever I have created, find area. So you can see find area. Press tab and close this and press enter. So when you click on OK button, again it will ask for enter a number, enter with, now we can put here 10. Now click on OK button. So whenever you see, it will directly you get the result through the function find area, and after prompting the user from user, it will get the result in this cells. So whatever you put here cells and like type find area and close braces, and this one it will ask for user input, like when I put like 13 first number, second with number like 40, and it will give you output like 520. So this way we can calculate the area of rectangles where length and width will be entered by the users. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.